Welcome, today I'll show how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from Power Key into Oppo Reno 7. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and go into our system settings, this one. Then scroll down one more time, and on the bottom we got Wake Google Assistant with Power Key. This position of switcher like gray, it's turn off this option, and this it's activate this option. So let's try activate this option, and now press and hold to Power Key, and how you can see Google Assistant is ready to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.